Believe it or not, ese es el estómago de ella. That's her stomach growling. Las tripas le están sonando mientras duerme. Ella comió. I don't know why, because she ate this morning. They're so loud. Penny? I'm working from home and she's sleeping with me, next to me, while I work.